कोई बात नहीं बेटा, थोड़ा ध्यान दिया कर बेटा चीजों पे, है ना बेटा। कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा करती है, कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है पता नहीं क्या हो गया। चलो कम ऑन गौरव। यस
Yes, sir.
गौरव, दिस इज योर नेम। बोल।
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is what if we started using AC and coolers before it's time to use.
शाबाश, आराम से धीरे धीरे बोलना।
So everything has a time to come and die.
सुनो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ।
So AC and coolers are also one of those things. In the starting of winters, we leave them like we have never saw them.
Very good, yeah.
And in March, but some brave hearts, some brave people or some people with brave hearts
very good.
start using them in February. In February, and I'm not one of them, but like Simran Didi.
हाँ तो तू छा गई बेटा, छा गई आज तो तू। हाँ बोल, अब तू करना चालू एसी बेटा। तेरे को इसको रिकॉर्डिंग को सुन लेना अगर तूने एसी चालू करी तो। बोल बेटा बोल, मैं बताऊंगा एसी चला के बैठी है वहाँ पे। हाँ बोल बेटा।
So what the consequences are?
यार हमारे को तो कूलर भी नहीं मिला अभी, तुम एसी चला के बैठे हो हैं? हाँ बोल बेटा।
So first of all, it's already not that cold in Jaipur, but it's slightly cold in the morning. But with AC, the already turning the winter season will get hot because of the fan which is installed outside the room, in the balcony or basement or the roof. And I'm not one who is using AC. I'm using fans this time. I'm not using AC or cooler.
But you also want to use AC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. बोल आगे बोल, तो समझते हैं बेटा। हाँ।
Yes. So and also AC will make us so comfortable that we will get sleep so easily, and it's exam time going on, and if we get sleep so easily, so how will we study?
बोल अच्छा बोल रहा है, बोल।
It's my exams are also going on, but I'm not turning AC on this time. I'm turning the fans on this time at full speed.
Full speed.
Because but my mother says that if you catch the cold, you are going to die.
You are going to die. You are going to be sick.
Yes, sir.
वो बोलना फिर, going to die. मम्मी कुछ बोलती है यहाँ पे कुछ और उसको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर देता है। बोल आगे बोल।
Yes, sir. And also some brave hearts try to take bath with cold water during the midwinters. So I would like to say that if you have this much of braveness in yourself, so why don't you सर मेरे दिमाग में ग्लिच हो गया सर। दैट्स इट, थैंक यू सर।
ग्लिच हो गया इसका दिमाग, फिर से डॉक्टर को दिखा के लाओ इसको। भैया ओ इसकी बहन सुन रही है ना, इसको किसी डॉक्टर को दिखा के लाओ, दिमाग वाले डॉक्टर को। ग्लिच होने लग गया बार बार इसके, ग्लिच हो गया है तेरे दिमाग में। अभी ले बताता हूँ, आ रहा हूँ बेटा। यस नाउ हर्ष, कम ऑन बेटा।
Yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harsh. Today I am going to tell you that what happens if we start our AC coolers and drink cold water before time. So as we all know that everything has its time period, including all the seasons, human life, animal life, and all the things in the world. So the time of summer starts in at the end of March and ends at the end of June or August. End of June or starting of August.
Hmm.
And we should use our all the summer items such as ACs, fridge, cooler, drinking cold water and eating ice creams and drinking cold drinks. We should do all these things in the time period which I told you before.
Yes.
And but and if we use them before its time, then we can get many diseases like we can get cold, we can get fever, our throat can that our throat can change our voice
Shabash,
it's
shabash.
happening with me that I am having pain in my throat.
Hmm.
I don't know why, but it's happening. So I
Hmm.
think that it is because of I ate ice cream one day. And if we like one of the example is one sister of our class who started using ACs and who started using AC and cooler at this time, and she's now cold and she's now cold. So this is a perfect example that what will happen if we use our if we use anything before time. That's it, sir.
Right. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today I'm going to tell you what will happen if we start using the ACs, coolers, and start drinking cold water before the time. So, as we all know, it is spring season going on, and there is a transaction between winter season and we are going to summer season, leaving behind winter season. So, at this time, we feel a bit hot and also little bit cold time of in morning and in night. So some people are now behaving it is summers, some people use AC, coolers, drink cold water and ice creams at this time. So I want to suggest that everything has this time for to be done. So if we will use the things
Speak
things before.
rules.
Yes, sir. If we use the things before time, then we will, of course, suffer from illness in our daily life. Nowadays, I feel very hot because in daytime, not in evening time. So I use fan, not cooler and AC. Not cooler and AC, so that is good because our body adapts to the environment slowly, not rapidly. We are adapted to winters because for major time we wear clothes, and now we will randomly and for long time on coolers and eat and drink cold water, then our body will suffer from a fever. And also my mother and father always said that upcoming winter and going winter always cause illness in our body,
Hmm.
because at that time we are very careless, and we randomly adapt to the summer season, which is not good. So we should adapt we should change our bodies and our daily life according to the seasons and gradually, so that we cannot face any difficulties in our health and we can always be disease free. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. ऐसी कोशिश करनी है बस आप लोग. अनुज.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Anu and today the topic is that what happens if we start having coolers and ACs before its time.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
So
आवाज
obviously
आ
it
रही है.
hurt. Sir, क्या हुआ सर?
थोड़ी आवाज कम आ रही है तेरी.
अच्छा, अब आ गई?
हाँ.
हाँ
चला
sir.
ले. हाँ.
So obviously it hurts our body before it's not the time that our body is familiar with these things because the weather just changes out, and
Hmm.
there is no warm up between 2 seasons. If there is no, so the body definitely gets it. And having these fan is not only the thing, but there are also some things that are precautions that we should keep in our mind, that not drinking cold water, and even in the peak summer, we should never drink the water from refrigerator,
Hmm.
because it
You can drink cold water, but not the water of refrigerator.
refrigerator,
Haan.
yes,
Yes.
because it feels cold, but when it goes into your stomach, it makes the heat and inflammation.
Very good.
Yes, sir. So in our society, or in our natural, matka is considered to be uh, to be drunk within,
Hmm.
and there are also ice creams, kulfis, that are popular in summers. So people just don't understand, and they just eat it. So, and if you want to have some like ice cream type thing, or so the healthiest is considered the kulfi, because it contains milk, soy, and maybe dry fruits. But when it's about ice creams, it mostly it has ice and flavors. So summers are about to come, so be safe and have some.
Summer is about to come.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Anything else?
No, sir. That's it.
Nice speaking. Keep it up. और अपना थोड़ा सा बदलो, थोड़ा सा सिस्टम. मिलूंगा मैं तुमसे, अभी जल्दी मिलूंगा, इसी महीने में मिलूंगा तुमसे. मुझे लग रहा है जरूरी है तुमसे मिलना. झाड़ा वाड़ा लगाना पड़ेगा तुम्हारे को जल्दी. लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, my topic is that what happens when we start cooler and AC. If
दोनों
we
दोनों
start
दोनों पिटेंगे मेरे से अब दोनों. हटना जरा, 1 मिनट.
if
डंडा लेके आ मेरा, मैं आ रहा हूँ. हाँ.
if we start cooler and AC before time, we may get sick and many type of diseases like headache and skin effect and sometime and in summertime we use AC so that when we go to outside our skin
Our body.
may our body our man, many diseases can many diseases may
We can be the
I
victim. We can
may,
be the victim of many diseases. Victim का मतलब शिकार.
yes
कई
we
बीमारियों का
can
शिकार हो
be
सकते हैं हम.
yes sir we can be victim of many diseases
अभी we
so
can have या we may have many diseases, ऐसे भी वो संकट आ रहा है ना आपको, हम कैसे बोले हमारे
yes
बीमारियां
sir
हो जाती है, हो
yes sir
जाती है, तो ऐसे आप उसको ठीक करके बोल सकते हो. आगे बोलो.
yes sir and upcoming winter and going winter we shouldn't we don't care and it is the peak time to it is the peak time that time we may get sick and many diseases and sometime we go to college and outside and we come to our home we drink cold water and juice etc and sometime we eat ice cream due to it we
हैव
may
आइसक्रीम, ईट की जगह.
yes
अब
sir
सुनो ध्यान से, मैं क्या क्या चेंज कर रहा हूँ. We have ice cream.
we have ice cream Due to it, we may get headache
हाँ
and
नाइस यूज ऑफ मे
illness
हाँ
and
हाँ
etc.
हाँ
And we shouldn't have ice cream in main time when the winter is going
गोइंग ऑन
and going on and
अच्छा विंटर इज ओके ठीक है बोलो
and
एंडिंग व्हेन द विंटर इज एंडिंग एंडिंग भी तो बोल सकते हैं ना
yes sir,
जब विंटर खत्म हो रही है ऐसे
yes
चिको
sir.
चिको चिको
Winter
चिको
is
बताओ बताओ
ending
हाँ
and and we shouldn't remain in AC in the month of February and March.
फेब्रुअरी
February,
हाँ बेटा ठीक करो बेटा इनको
yes sir.
फेब्रुअरी कोई बात नहीं बोल आगे बोल हाँ
February of
तो
and
सबके लिए
March
होती हैं ये चीजें एक के लिए नहीं हो रही जो बोल रहा है वही बोल बेटा
and we can use AC in May and June.
मे नॉट मई
Yes sir, May and June
हाँ
and we should care ourselves in
आवर
in
सेल्फ
ourselves in
सेल्व्स
every
प्लूरल में आएगा तो वुज सेल्व्स
yes sir
हाँ
ourselves
हाँ
in all weather.
हाँ
That's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश ऐसी कोशिश किया कर बेटा बहुत अच्छे कोशिश कर रहे हो सभी लोग वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छे से इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है बाकी के लोग भी सब ध्यान से सुना करो बस नए नए थॉट्स आएंगे आपको अब मैं कहाँ पढ़ूं क्या नाम रह गया अब कहाँ चला गया मैं अनुज अंजू बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग मैटर है मैं इतना नीचे कैसे चला गया मैं लक्ष्मी का हो गया ओके आदित्य सर कहाँ हो भगवान गायब हो गए तो क्या दिख रहे हैं किसी को नहीं दिख रहे ना
No sir.
नहीं दिख रहे हो गए पार अब बताओ दिन दहाड़े ये तो करते हैं विपिन अब ये भी गया हाँ उछलता कूदता रहता है तू बैठता क्यों नहीं है सीधा बोल चला जा
Hello everyone. Today my topic name
आराम
is
से बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से हाँ छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस
what happens if we start cooler AC and drinking water of fridge before it's time using to we use cooler AC so we have cold.
वी कैन फील कोल्ड
We can feel cold sir.
कूल
जुकाम
कूल भी कह सकते हैं वी कैन फील कूल हाँ
सर जुकाम को क्या बोलेंगे?
शाम को कोल्ड कहते हैं बेटा
Okay. And sometimes we drink cold drinks, cold coffees, and etc.
क्या होता है इनसे तो बोलो ना पीते तो हैं पर होता क्या है ये भी तो बताओगे ना
Feel
and
cold.
we become ill
We become ill and in started winter people start using cooler AC and sometimes some people ill.
पहले आएगा ना some people become ill
Yes, sir. Some people become ill and go to doctor
हाँ
and doctor give him medicine and people take medicines and सर कभी कभार को क्या
people did not.
डू नॉट आएगा ना, डिड नॉट क्यों?
Sometimes people do not. सर ठीक होने को क्या बोलेंगे?
डू नॉट गेट वेल.
People do not get well, and in March some people off AC cooler.
सम पीपल या ऑल पीपल? पीपल को बोल देना खाली, कुछ लोगों को बंद रखने चाहिए.
नहीं, कुछ लोग बंद करते हैं.
अच्छा, ओके. सम पीपल
off AC cooler.
Switch off
AC
keep their
cooler.
ACs off. या तो ऐसे बोलो, keep their ACs coolers off. ऐसे बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
Some people keep their AC off,
हाँ ऐसे बोलो.
and but some people do not their AC off, so
Their ACs off. हाँ.
so he become ill.
They become ill. ये क्यों आएगा? Some people बोला है तो.
They become ill. That's it, sir.
आप बढ़िया से कोशिश क्या करो, है ना, घबराए मत. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोलने की कोशिश क्या करो, ऐसे धीरे धीरे एकदम से खुल जाओगे. यस नाउ. कल याद दिलवाना मेरे को आदित्य का. अब कल तो क्या, 3 दिन के बाद याद दिलवाना, याद रह जाए किसी को तो. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm giving my views on the topic, that is, what will happen if we turn our ACs and coolers on before the time reaches. So we know that summers are coming, and now we can see
Summer is coming.
yes, sir. Summer is coming, and now.
Region, बेटा. हाँ.
Yes, sir. And now we can see that what will be the condition of India in summers, because there will be a lot of hot in summer. So, but now there is a less hot. So at this time, people should live careful, because we know that whenever the season changes.
Be careful. Should
Yes, sir.
remain
Should be.
careful. हाँ, live नहीं.
Okay, that should be careful. And we see that whenever the season changes, our body prepares itself to be in the environmental conditions of the next season. But in this period of time, if we do wrong things, just like summer is coming and we turn our ACs and coolers on before time. So if we do these works before time, so the system of our body will break and we get sick. So we should be careful at this time when the season changes. Everyone should live carefully, and because it is the time when the season changes, it is the time of living carefully. If we do not live carefully, then we will get sick. If we do not live carefully, we will get sick. And we know that and now summers are coming, and people are feeling hot and turns ACs and coolers on. That is very bad. At this time, fans is preferable, and also people have started to eat ice creams. That is not good at this time, because it is not the peak summer time. And also people should not drink the cold water of refrigerators. And people should prefer the water of matkas at this time. And last, I want to say for the people who are disobeying the summer, that मत करो यार, लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करो यार. That's it, sir.
Wow, very good. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yes, now I think this is the name of Khushi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I am telling about what happens if we start cooler, AC, etc. before the time. You know very, very well. Some people feel more hot. Some people feel more cold. It is depend on our body temperature. You know very well, in February and March, the weather is cold early and late, but hot in the middle of the day. Sometimes sun is very hot in the middle of the day. Sunlight is very hot in the middle of the day. But people don't understand these things, and they can be victim of
The
illness,
victim. बोलो, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
illness
बहुत अच्छा यूज किया बेटा.
and as soon as they feel hot, they turn on AC cooler, and they they get sick easily, and so we should take care. We should take care everything,
Everything.
and
Every के साथ things कैसे आएगा बेटा? हाँ.
everything in the changing weather,
हाँ.
and we should avoid many things like ice creams and cold juice and the cold water of fridge and cooler AC, etc. And we should know our body temperature.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Then we should on future. We should on AC and cooler. That's it, sir.
Very, अरे बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. शाबाश. अंजू.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is if we turn AC and fan, we turn AC and fan on no time. So we get sick. And sometimes some strong people start the fan in February and January. And in that time we do not get sick, I think, but at the ending we get sick.
Yes. अच्छा, very good. बोलते रहो.
And I turn AC in ending of February and starting of March. Or I do not turn AC like Simran Didi
अच्छा.
because sir ऐसे कैसे कहेंगे क्योंकि हमारा फैन AC से कम नहीं है.
Because our fan is no lesser than AC.
Our fan is lesser than
अंगूर खट्टे हैं,
AC
मम्मी चला
because
नहीं देती. अंगूर खट्टे हो गए. हाँ, बोल आगे बोल.
because it gave us cold, too much cold air. But I turn on secretly.
वाह,
like
टर्न ऑन सीक्रेटली. रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, मैं तेरी मम्मी को भिजवाऊंगा एक क्लिप. हाँ बोल आगे.
and we eat ice cream like me. We can get sick, but I do not. And sometimes people do not get sick in the February, but they get sick in March because of Holi. Because of Holi.
बिकॉज ऑफ होली.
And हाँ
अच्छा
ठंडा पानी यूज करते हैं.
ओके. इंग्लिश में बोलते ना वी यूज कोल्ड वाटर. हाँ बोल.
We use cold water. And sometimes people take bath with iced water, like iced water.
Oh. Some people means she is including them.
No, I'm not in it.
Okay. Hmm.
Gaurav is it.
Gaurav in it. Okay.
They do not turn on AC. मतलब geyser.
Hmm.
Geyser. I want to say them, please add ice in it.
Hmm?
Please add ice in it, in the water. And when we eat ice cream, we got sick. But sometimes people eat ice cream and when they eat medicines,
Okay. Do you eat ice cream or not?
I eat, but do not eat medicines.
Very good. शाबाश. हाँ, क्या बात है. हाँ, yes. हाँ.
And I eat 4 ice creams in the winter.
Hmm. In winter.
Yeah,
Okay.
4 ice creams
Then
only.
then you also have to take the medicine.
No,
Okay. You are a strong girl.
and if we are turning on AC in February,
Hmm.
we got sick and caught cold.
Hmm.
But in February, people also use heater.
Hmm.
That's it.
अरे वाह बहुत अच्छा. ऐसे ध्यान से बोलती है ना, ऐसी क्लास में काम किया कर बेटा, बहुत फोकस होकर. स्पीकिंग तो तेरी बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन बाकी जगह फिसलती जा रही है. हाँ भैया, अंजू हो गई है. सिमरन आ जा भैया, मेन मुद्दा तो तू ही है आज का. आ जा. तू तो फिर तू ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि लाइक सिमरन दीदी. बोल लाइक मी. बोल बोल बोल. आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
आ जा.
Hey, everyone, good evening. As well, you know, I am who I am. You know, I'm today's topic. No, I mean, today's topic. What happens
शाबाश.
when
बढ़िया.
you have
हाँ.
AC, cooler, वगैरह वगैरह without season,
लाइक
like a student,
ए स्टूडेंट.
like student,
लाइक
any
स्टूडेंट. नाम नेम द स्टूडेंट. हु इज दैट स्टूडेंट?
any student.
एनी स्टूडेंट. चल बोल आगे बोल. बोल. हाँ.
And they in this season they start AC, cooler, etc. They get fever and any infection, ill, etc. And they went any school and college for exam
Okay.
for their exam. And when they came their house in hostel and they start any fan, cooler, AC, they thought
ये प्रेजेंट में बोल रही है, पास्ट में बोल रही है?
mix में
अच्छा.
they thought
समझ गया
it's make comfort, but it's make uncomfort rather than pleasure.
हाँ हाँ
So
हाँ
always I'll give an advice. We should uh, uh, drink hot glass water, not chilled water, and we shouldn't run fan, AC cooler, and in changing the season. And we take care ourselves. That's it.
अरे यार आज तो तूने एक बात है जोरदार बोला है बेटा आज तो तूने मतलब आज तो इतनी मस्त होके बोल रही है मतलब सुनना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग आज ऐसे ही चाहिए बस अपने को बहुत वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बेटा
सर
दवाई ले लेना बेटा है ना हाँ
सर
ले लेना बेटा हाँ अन्नू हाँ
सर
हाँ
एक बार ना आप वो मैसेज देखना मेरा क्लास वाला
देख रहा हूँ कहाँ फोन पे देखूं लैपटॉप पे देखूं
जिसमें क्लास चल रही है
अच्छा देखता हूँ चलो अन्नू आ जाओ
यस सर हेलो सर मैं कैमरा ऑफ करके बोलूंगी
बोल दे, बोल दे, बोल
हेलो एवरीवन सो नाउ सर क्या है टॉपिक
हैं?
टॉपिक क्या है
कितने लोगों को सुन रहे हैं ना क्या है व्हाट हैपेंस इफ वी स्टार्ट
सर मैं लेट आई थी
अब तो बहुत देर से सुन रही है अब तो तू मेरे को पता है तू कब आई थी सुन ले मैं बता देता हूँ व्हाट हैपेंस इफ people start their ACs, coolers, refrigerators before at the time of the starting of summer. अब बोल.
Okay, sir. So, hello everyone. Today I am I am sharing my views on the topic. On the topic. So, as you know that we have start our fan. So, I think 5 or 6 days ago. But we start our freezers, ACs, coolers, etc. in the month of April or by 20 or 21 days after.
Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे बोल बेटा ऐसे बोल. हाँ.
भाई लोकेशन तो डाल दी पर
बेटा जल्दी कर बेटा अभी डिस्टर्ब हो तो वेट कर रहे हैं
मैं खोल दी या मैं खूटी को रहे 2 बार लोकेशन
हो गया
क्लास ले रही है विनोद
हेलो
we know that our refrigerators are on in winter also, but we have low the temperature of the freezers like there are 3 modes of winter, rainy, summer. So in winter we set the fridge on winter mode, and in the rainy we set the fridge on rainy mode. And in summer we set the mode on summer timer like that. But we use the freeze 24 hours and 7. 24 hours and in a whole year. So if we start using our free ACs, coolers, etc. So you know that in Jaipur we have very hot temperature. So if we start the AC in a higher unit. शांत रहे in a higher sir क्या बोल सकते हैं higher boss in a higher
temperature lower temperature at lower temperature
So you can see that we have cold and pneumonias like sir
बीमारी को diseases, other diseases.
disease
हाँ.
is like pneumonias etc. And we start, as you know, in 20 or 21 days we start our AC, cooler, freezers on the full temperature. But if we start the ACs and etc. coolers, etc. So if full Jaipur use the ACs, coolers, fans, etc. So you can imagine the what happen of AC. सर AC का जो वो होता है ना, कुछ बाहर लगा रहता है, जो उसको क्या कहते हैं? कंडीशनर क्या कहते हैं सर?
बाहर क्या लगा रहता है बेटा?
सर AC लगाते हैं तो जब बाहर लगा रहता है ना कुछ,
तो आउटवर्ड यूनिट होती है वो तो बेटा उसकी.
So our outward unit our outward unit
मैं बोल दो कि that throws so much harmful gases. वो AC
Okay,
का
sir.
एक पार्ट होता है, तो वो AC के पार्ट में consider it in the part of your AC because it
Okay,
all
sir.
comes from the AC. क्या कहना चाहते हो आप, ये बताओ.
सर मैं ऐसे कहना चाहती हूँ जो आउटवर्ड जो होता है ना एसी के, वो जल मतलब बाहर की टेम्परेचर से जल सकते हैं अगर हम एसी ज्यादा चलाएंगे तो.
हाँ तो ठीक है, आउटवर्ड यूनिट, या कह दीजिए कि द पार्ट ऑफ द एसी. अब उसको क्या कहते हैं मेरे को एग्जैक्टली तो ध्यान नहीं आ रहा है, पर
तो मैं आउटवर्ड
यूनिट कह दो आप.
ओके सर.
The other part of AC that is installed outside of the house may burn. आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो because of
outward unit
high temperature. हाँ.
that have plugged outside it.
नहीं, आप दूसरी तरफ चले गए, हमने तो दूसरी बात, टॉपिक हमारा दूसरा था. आप उधर, उससे हमें कोई मतलब नहीं, वो जले भुने कुछ भी हो, हमारा टॉपिक दूसरा था बेटा. आप कभी कभी स्लिप हो जाते हो आप टॉपिक से. क्या होगा अगर हम बिना सीजन के अगर हम एसी कूलर चलाएंगे, तो टॉपिक ये था.
उनके अलावा और कोई
What happens if we start AC coolers and refrigerators, if we start using such things at the starting of the changing of the season? तो उसका था. बोलो आगे बोलो, अब खत्म करो.
If we start our ACs freeze before summer, so you can imagine what is the condition of people that people have many diseases like pneumonia and etc. So we नहीं, everything have a time.
ये तो आपने सब बोल दिया है, आपका फोकस नहीं है बेटा आज. तो आपने सब
So
बोल
we
दिया है.
know that.
बोलो खत्म करो अब इसको.
So we know that everything has a time, so we have to do it on the time. So that's it.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. आज का आपका डिस्टरबेंस भी था आपके. I don't know where you are, but you are not focused. टॉपिक पे फोकस करना है एकदम. क्या बोला जा रहा है, एसी पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, उससे मतलब नहीं है. और अगर हम बिफोर एट द टाइम ऑफ द चेंजिंग ऑफ द सीजन अगर हम उसको शुरू करते हैं, तो उस पर्टिकुलर व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट थिंग. आई थिंक देयर वुड बी नो इफेक्ट ऑफ एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट इफ वी स्टार्ट एनीथिंग बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सीजन. सो ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Sorry.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप, रिकॉर्डिंग होगी आपकी. बोलो.
Sir, sorry and bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye,
Sorry
beta.
for the
Good night, beta.
disturbance.
Take care, बेटा. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. ओके. हाँ मैडम बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Ramban classes. Today's topic is what happen if start AC and cooler and refrigerator before. This 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 wind this weather is not AC and cooler. Sorry, sir.
हाँ
Morning and evening. Morning or evening is cold.
हाँ शाबाश धीरे धीरे बोलो तसल्ली से वेरी गुड हाँ
Medium day is hot.
शाबाश मिडिल डे हाँ
Middle day. We use AC and cooler. So we are ill.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश
We drink cold water. So we are because गला खराब होने को क्या बोलते हैं?
there may be the problem with our throat
We are
there से बना दो there may be problem with our throat गले के साथ हमारे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है हाँ
there are thought. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं कोशिश करो ऐसी इस टॉपिक पे लिखना आप
Okay, sir.
है ना बस बाकी अब 3 दिन तो छुट्टी रहेगी आपकी फिर अपन मंडे को अपन मिलेंगे मंडे को नहीं
Wednesday.
वेडनेसडे को सोमवार मंगलवार
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.